Hi there, welcome to my channel. You are watching Biology Zone 90, and today I'll show you how to use Google Classroom for your student or for your own study. So first of all, click this Google option, that is Google Suite, then scroll down. If you're not able to find Google Classroom here, click here, yes. Then you'll find Google Classroom, search it, the icon, this is Google Classroom, just click it. If you are Android user, please install it from Google Play Store, and then you can use your own email ID or you can use a different email ID. You can choose here, you can manage. Now it is done, please continue after selecting email ID. Yes, now this is, you are watching a small plus sign here. Yes, click here, you can join class and you can create class. If you are a teacher, you have to create class. If you are a student, you have to join the class. So after creating class for teacher, hit this instruction, then continue, then give a name to your class. Just follow the screen and there's written direction also, please follow them. Yes, and I have my playlist on my YouTube channel, that is ICT 90. Please watch also them to learn Mentimeter, Kahoot. Those applications are also education purpose. So congratulations, you have created your Google class right now. Let me show you. This is the class. If you click here, you can get the code. If you share this code to your student, they can join with this code. And click here to change your banner. You can choose according to your subject or you can choose your own. Just click here and you'll able to access your PC or you can drag also. So let me show you. I don't have right now any special photo for this, so I'm not going to yet. So here it is that area, you can see your task, and here whatever you announce, all the student will able to get it. Let me show you a demo. Whatever announcement you can announce here, all the student can access this. This is very interesting and very time consuming, easy to use, and this lockdown time going on in this pandemic, this is the best way. Here you can add any link, any video. Let me show you how to use. This is my YouTube. I have Biology Zone 90, so please watch these videos also. Otherwise you can add your own link if it is stored before. So I'm adding my link. Yes, do you know barcode? I have my own barcode of my YouTube channel. If you need this type of things, you can order me, I can create for you. I also create PPT presentations. You can also order for your own class. I can make animated class, animated tutorial video. If you don't know these things, you may order for your own class, or if you are a student, you can join my class, tutorial classes. Yes, let me show you one demo. Look, it is now, this is how we invite people by their email ID, or otherwise they can join the class with the help of that code. Yes, this is the code, anybody can join. You also can join with this code. Now step for student. After joining, how they can join to your class, they have to install Google Classroom, or they may use desktop version. Yes, After clicking plus sign, join class. Then use the code given by the teacher. Yes, let me show you. Yes, you have joined the class, and you can see in this phone whatever given in that classroom, it is visible here. Welcome to Biology Zone 90 tutorial. Please join my page Facebook, subscribe Biology Zone 90 on YouTube, follow the attached link, and print out my QR code. By scanning this QR code, you can access all of my videos anytime, and you are also directed. Please download that QR code, share this and use this. So let me reply whatever reply given by student. Now I can see here. Now let me show you how to create assignment or any classwork. After clicking classwork, I can choose multiple type question or direct question or any assignment. After creating, let me show you multiple choice type question here. So after creating this question, I can choose the mark, give more mark to student so that they can get more interest. Let me give 1000 here, and you can use your calendar. You can add due date tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whatever, or never. Anytime anyone can answer. So let me choose option for my answer. There you can see instruction is there. You can add instruction, or it is depend upon you. You can add more than 4 option also. You can add as many you want. By this type of option, you can create polling also. You can vote on your class. You can get feedback from your students. Just change these options in this way. I'm showing how to add more options. Just click here, add options, and you can add attachment. You can add Google Slide, Google Docs. Let me write one instruction. Choose what is the best match answer. Let me another option. Yes. Then simply just click ask, and you can see in the classroom anytime the question will be appear in classwork. So no one is turned in. Let me show you if the student turn in, what happens. So this is the mobile phone used by student. So this is how the student will get the question. They can select it directly. They can choose their options and turn in. Remember, the student have to turn in, not private comment. If they don't turn in, it will not shown in the classroom even they have submitted. So ask your student to turn in. Check. See here, turned in. It is turned in there. So now I can see turn in 1 because one student has answered the question. So this is how now I can grade them. I can give mark accordingly. I can give compliment. Yes, so I can grade them. Let me give 900. Then I return. You have to click return so that student can report at the mark. So this is the compliment. Use compliment to your student. This will motivate them. So please watch my different videos, read my descriptions, and you are watching Biology Zone 90 again. Stay healthy and see you again in the next video. If you want to learn how to create Google account, how to create YouTube, all the videos are given in the ICT 90 playlist. Please make sure to create your own playlist of my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Stay healthy.